We're gonna throw napalm strike at us.
Look at that thing.
I see it. Man,
Whoa!
what happened?
You got strong wind, man.
Man, it's already.
You gotta get away from those flyers.
No, no, no! Oh gosh, Dad! Ooh. That was a good one. No, 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 no.
Oh,
Oh. You okay?
it's all right.
Oh, did I hit any wires? Did I hit any
That's where
wires?
that tail comes in.
Oh,
That's where that tail would have come in.
the tail was just a little pink string.
Yeah, it's a
Plus,
strong wind, man.
plus it'll break our style. And second of all, it's not even worth it. That was good though.
Yeah.
Let's do that again. Okay? It crashed.